I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and I got a lot of projects behind me. We got this one motor that I want to see if I can probably fire up today, but that won't be this video. And there's the 68 behind me that I got to finish up the floor stuff on today. That'll be great. Ooh, there's the air cleaner bolt sticking right through my finger. But then we got this glorious boat motor, which we tried getting running before, but we couldn't because it needed a couple parts. Well, guess what? Those parts came in. So let's strap her up, then I'll tell the owner, hey, come down with your boat fuel, because it apparently takes some specialty fuel, and let's see if it fires up. But what I'm probably going to do anyways is probably take everything apart, put the new parts on, and everything I have to probably dismantle it and clean that freaking carb out, because guess what? All I do for a living is carbs, apparently. So let's get this going. Also, if you can believe it, I spent my whole morning processing zucchini for the early there. One, it needed to be done, and then I threw it in the freezer. But two, I love zucchini bread, and she makes the goddamn best zucchini bread in the world. So if I gotta put in a little bit of work towards that, I am fine with that.
I never thought it would happen. It never happened to me. It seems that clearly it has done, and now no longer I'm free. I am not free to be who I want to be.
So, jumping right into this, we gotta replace the starter solenoid. We also gotta replace the fuse in here. Yeah, that little sucker's burnt out. It's a 125 volt fuse. That's a lot. So, something's gotta be going on to make that go off. And then this beautiful little thing right here goes on right there. Those are the fuel lines right there.
Can somebody come and rescue me? I am not afraid to be who I want to be. Can somebody rescue me?
We are interrupted by this broadcast by the maestro himself. So the maestro came and dropped off some of these ramps that I bought off him. These are some heavy duty versus
Just remember my return policy. You break it, you brought it.
Well, I already bought it. Oh, I gotta weld that up, I think.
My warranty is non-existent.
Yeah, non-existent warranty. They're worth what it is in steel and aluminum. Really, to be fairly honest, if I strip them down, it's only 4 bolts per aluminum thread. It literally is just somebody's homemade steel with aluminum sliders slid over. That's 100% what they are.
This is 100% delicious.
Oh, I bet. Ah, the fucking house! Ow! You didn't get shocked. I got shocked.
No.
Every time.
But I said this wire's probably gonna get really hot.
I have tons and tons of videos of me electrocuting myself on YouTube. There's another one. There you go. There's a YouTube short. Oh, the problem is those YouTube shorts do good too, so it's good I freaking do it.
Here, now we can do it without having just the wires.
Yeah, now I'll... Oh no, yes, the exhaust and the water tube will go. Yeah, let's fucking take her for a rip. See if that fires up. again.
I turned into a cowboy for a second. Here, I'll man the throttle.
I didn't know I could do that. That's so cool. I like that piece of technology. Spray! So, boat motor work, turnkey, ready to go for the guy. We didn't get to hear it run because I don't have boat motor gasoline tank thing hookups, because the boat motor's got that weird hookup thing. He'll deal with all that, but it's got spark, compression. It fires once in a while off of the spray and stuff, but it's not the right mixture. So he'll mess around with it with water hookups, everything on it, so it'll be safe. He knows what to do from here. If you want to watch more videos, like now I'm gonna go and work on this thing some more. Did try a little bit with this thing, but this thing is just, it's got a bump starter, so that's not thing to go. That's not thing to work with that bump starter. I'm glad there's something missing from my yard. I'm glad. He's gonna be driving off a snowmobile later on. I just gotta do it sometime, so I'm hoping to get this truck on. Then he's gonna bring a truck, and we got this stuff I gotta bolt on. Tons of work. It's never ending. But hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.
Can somebody rescue me? 'Cause I am hungry. Nobody rescue me. 'Cause I am